Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome. Hope you survived yesterday and the volatility. And welcome back to this new video here on Solana, which is going to be quite an important update because, I wouldn't say this was completely unexpected, and we talked about the possibility of the volatility down to 230 as well. But I do think we have lost some of the bullish momentum we had over the last couple of days, and that's normal. Obviously, I mean, a lot of the bullish momentum was caused as well by the Trump meme coin launch, of course, and all the bullish momentum that came from that. So Solana was one of the coins that actually had the potential inauguration crypto mention priced in the most, because it looked like Solana was actually a Trump favorite, right? Or a Trump team favorite at least. So that did not happen. So we had a sell the news effect throughout the entire market. That was expected. If you watch my Bitcoin video, if you watch my Solana video, that was to be expected. But the one thing that's worrying me a little bit right now is that Solana is losing a lot of momentum. And what you can see straight away as well is that obviously we had that massive or those massive DEX trading volumes, but they're dropping down, and the TVL has actually dropped down yesterday as well already. So now we kind of have to see both technically and fundamentally, well, what happened over the course of the weekend and all those super bullish events for Solana. Will they have a lasting effect on Solana or not? And I still think, like, fundamentally talking about 2025. At this point of time, I am still bullish on Solana. When we're only talking about the Solana ETF, for example, already, and the lack of a Grayscale trust to dump into that ETF, I think that's already a fundamental catalyst that's bullish enough to be bullish on Solana. But short term, what we do need to see is that we can at least hold this level right here between 220 and 230, because we have lost 250. And 250, I said yesterday, that's the main level. Like, if we really want to stay bullish here, we need to hold that level. But not only have we lost that level, we're also losing volume. The volume right now is down about 56%. And as you can see, the open interest, the leveraged momentum is also down. So getting that move into 330, which I said yesterday, that was possible if we actually kept the momentum. I don't expect that on the short term anymore right now. I would say what's most likely is that we will drop down into 230 and 220. We might have some volatility lower, but that will hold that level, that we will consolidate, and that from that consolidation we will be able to break out later. But when that is a very good question. I'll keep you updated on that, but honestly, that's one of the most difficult things in crypto to predict, when a range is going to break out. But I do think that range is most likely, and I would even go as far as saying that like, if Bitcoin starts to drop down below the value area high right here at 100,000, like if the market found yesterday much too bearish, it's possible as well, and that's the big risk for Solana right now, that will drop down below 220, and that will drop down all the way back into 190 and 180, which I would still be bullish on it from those levels for 2025, but that's obviously on the short term, that's massively bearish for Solana. So that's something you do need to realize. Now, like I said, I'm not telling you, I am telling you we can go up or down, because that's the truth, and I will always tell you the truth. But what I think is most likely right now is that we will do this, all right? So that we'll drop down lower a bit on the short term, but that we will be able to hold the support level, that we'll be able to consolidate from there, and from there we can break out. I will keep you updated on that, all right? So for now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And bye.